This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 74 of building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. In this issue, we are making the protective mesh on the radiator honeycomb and then adding the fan motor there. So yes, there's a metal plate that needs to go over that. It just goes over that. It doesn't look like it's got a direction that's needed. It's symmetrical, so that will go over there. That gives a nice effect. I like the finish on that. Saying that, there was a tag there and a notch there, so I did have it the wrong way around. And it's the wrong way up as well, because it is slightly off-centered, that middle piece. So, get that the right way round. That notch lines up in there, and the holes all line up in there as well. So that goes on there like so. And then this will go into there. We'll just go into there. Not any directionality on that. Unless there is. Sure. I'll just keep rotating it and hoping that eventually it will key in. Sort of locked in a little bit there. So yeah, there is a bit that keys in place on that. Make sure that goes in there. Right. And then another 05 screw. I've used again the last one from a pack to get that in there. So that will hold that in place, and that will also hold that mesh in place as well. It's a little bit curved up at one corner, but I'm sure there's going to be something coming down over the top of that soon. But not quite soon enough, because that is the end of this month's pack and this month's delivery. So I shall put this out the way, and I shall bring in the magazine, and we'll have a look and see what volume 19 has to say. So, volume 19 of Eleanor Gone in 60 starring in Gone in 60 Seconds, 1/8 scale magazine experience. Let's have a look. This is obviously what we've been doing. This is the end of this delivery, so you've seen all of this. This was a few days ago, as was that. Last time we did that, installed it into the car, and then this time we started building this part. This is around the engine bay, but there we go. Like that. So, looking at Eleanor's room from the original. Cool. Ended her days, her own private exhibition space. Oh, that's sweet. Right, Freb, loyal and naive. James Duval. Cool. Here we go. That's that. The 60 seconds files from the original film. Recycling 93 cars to appear in the film. They've changed some details on several occasions so as to reuse the same vehicles that already appeared in previous scenes. So it looks like more than 93, but they used 93. Cool. Right, the cars with women's names. We've got Donna, the Mercedes-Benz CL500. Again, fairly normal looking car. Some of these are normal, some of these are more exotic. Erin, Chevrolet Camaro. Yeah, that's quite a classic American car, that one. So have we got any more? Two's enough. We're obviously what are we, 80, 70, 74. So if we've been doing 2 in each of these 19, then we're already up to 40. And there's only, is it 50 on the list, I think? So, I don't know. The 1994 Ford Mustang, anyway, 30 years have passed since the launch of the Ford Mustang. It is quite a meaty looking car. I quite like the look of it. It's got a big front end, but it's all right. I'm happy with that. So next time, yes, we're doing engine work and looking at Lindsay. Only one car by the looks of it, maybe. So yeah, all nice to start on an engine. I didn't think we'd done an engine at all, but now we can get that started. So I shall see you for that in about a month. But for now, that's this month completed for that. I'll join you for another build tomorrow. I'm not sure what it'll be, but I'll see you for that very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.